I stayed at the unit for a week with my friend. Was a very pleasant stay. Really safe place to stay, easy to go there with a grab and easy to get a grab from there. The house was clean and good. Very friendly neighbors. I have only positive things to say. ABT my stay here. Great. Our stay was great. Exceptional, very good. Exceptional, recommended. Exceptional, nice place and a real home to enjoy in a nice gated community. Taxi needed to make it to town. Welcome to Rafols Villa Homestay. Come stay in a vibrantly decorated, fully furnished home in the beautiful Camella Butuan City. This home is perfect for a couple's getaway or family retreat with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, well furnished, complete dining and cooking wares. Our community features other amenities like a tennis/basketball court and jogging track, including Clubhouse with pool.